Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss one of the growth phase of our body, that is called the adolescence. Actually, when a baby is born and till it achieves the maturity, till the baby achieves maturity, till then the growth of the body can be divided into three stages, that is called the infancy, childhood, and adolescence. Infancy is the period when a baby is born till 1.5 year or 2 years, and this phase, that is the infancy phase, is the phase of the very rapid growth. It's a phase of very rapid growth. All the organs of the baby are developed rapidly, and in this phase, baby learn most of its skill. That means how to sit, how to stand, how to walk, how to speak. Most of the skills a baby learn in the phase of the infancy. Second phase, that is called the childhood phase. This phase lasts from 2 to 12 years, or 2 to 12 years. This phase is marked by the steady physical and mental growth. Steady means what? Slow growth of slow mental and the physical growth. Now the third phase, that is called the adolescence. This is also a rapid growth phase. In this phase, an individual matures sexually. They are capable of reproducing. They becomes capable of reproducing, and they attain puberty. Puberty means a phase in which a person is sexually mature. So this rapid phase, that is adolescence, occurs between the age of 13 and 18 or 19, and that's why it is called the teenage. Isn't it? 13. At the end, you will get TEEN, teen. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. In all these years, or all these numbers, you will get teen, TEEN at the end. That's why this phase, that is the adolescence phase, from 13 to 19 years, is called teenage. Whenever somebody asks you what is your age, you will say I am a teenage. So the teenage means a person is between the age 13 and 19. So puberty, that is a person when becomes sexually mature, is different in different person, and generally in girls it is 11 to 13 years, and in boys it is 13 to 14 years. In this phase, means what an individual can achieve puberty. Student, during puberty, lots of changes occurs in our body. Lots of changes occurs in an individual body. Just suppose if I am talking about a boy, what happens to boy during the puberty? The voice changes. The voice becomes flat, isn't it? The vocal cord and Adam's apples become visible on the neck. The voice becomes flat. Isn't it? The shoulders becomes wide. All these changes, the mustache come out, the beard come out. These are all are the changes that occurs to a boy during the puberty. Similarly, lots of changes also occurs to girls when they achieve, or when they are onset of the puberty. Now during puberty, as I have already mentioned, that lots of changes occurs. So what will happen, means what, you have to be very clean, you have to be hygiene during these years, because lots of changes are going on inside the body. So hygiene or personal hygiene is very important during the puberty. The reason is that one of the changes that occurs in our body, both boys and girls, what happens, the oil gland develops during the puberty in your face. Now what will happen, your face now during the teenage, means what, your face will be always oily, because the oil glands are developed, and if you will not wash your face regularly, what will happen, the bacterial infection occurs on those oil, and they can cause acne, or means what, pimples. So second, personal hygiene or cleanliness that you can do. Wear clean clothes, clean socks. Dirty socks and clothes are cause skin diseases and plus bad odor. Wash your face regularly with lukewarm water and mild cleanser or soap to prevent acne formation. You can also take bath every day by shampooing your hair. These are the normal things that generally we do, isn't it, to keep ourselves hygiene. But still, it's in your syllabus, so you have just to read it. Because nowadays most of us perform personal, we can take care of our body, but still some of us are not aware about our body, and we do not keep our body clean, we do not keep our body in a hygiene condition. So for them it's compulsory, it's a mandatory to read this topic very carefully to keep yourself hygiene during the puberty. Now student, teenage is also age of stress, lots of stress going on. Why this not, why this happens to me only, and or why this only happens to me. These all are means what the reason behind a thing that occurs in the teenage, that is called the stress. And next day we will study about the stress and how to manage it. And now if you have any question regarding today's topic, text me. Assalamu alaikum.